Oh, sing to the Lord a new song today. Sing all the earth, let your hearts give him praise. Sing to the Lord, bless his wonderful name. Tell of his saving from day unto day. Declare his glory to nations afar. His marvelous works show how mighty they are. For great is the Lord, to be praised and adored, to be feared above gods, for he alone is Lord. The gods of the peoples are idols in vain, but the Lord made the heavens, his glory remains. Before him our splendor and majesties glow. In his holy sanctuary strength and beauty flow. Ascribe to the Lord, all you families of earth. Ascribe him the glory, the strength of his word. Ascribe to the Lord all the praise of his name. Bring offerings, come to his courts and proclaim. Prostrate before him in holiness bright. Tremble all earth in his radiant light. Say to the nations, the Lord reigns on high. The world stands firm, it will never die. He judges the peoples with truth and grace, with equity ruling the human race. Let heavens be glad and the earth rejoice. Let seas roar their praise with a thunderous voice. Let fields be joyful and all they contain. Let trees of the forest sing out his refrain before the Lord, for he's coming again. He comes to judge.